Well, I want to welcome everyone today. We're really excited that you're here. Today, we're going to be talking about the transformative power of I am. My name's Sherry Dunlevy, and I'm the inspirationista here to inspire you to want to live your best life. And so, some of the material today might rub you the wrong way. It might be like this little bristle under your saddle, and that's okay. Usually, when you hear information and it is like sandpaper, that means that it's something that you need to pay attention to. So, here's a phrase that someone said to me a while ago that literally changed everything. And he said, Sherry, do you want to hear what you want to hear? Or do you want to hear what you need to hear so that you can live your life in a different way? And I realized I needed to hear what I needed to hear. I wanted to hear that everything I was doing was fine, but everything that I was doing wasn't working. So I knew that I needed to hear some new information, some new ways of thinking that would help me shift things in my mind that could bring about the change that would help me change my life. So that's what I'm hoping to do. So before we get started, what we're going to do is we're going to turn things over to Melissa Lyons, and she's going to start us off today with a reflection based on the power of I am. Melissa?
Thanks, Sherry. It's great to be here with you all. I'm going to save my introduction and talk to you about what led me to this point